never felt so alive in my life. 'Cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? That I'm crashing right into you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Yeah, I'm free falling. Can you hear me calling, calling for you? Yeah, I'm free falling. I'ma keep on falling, falling for you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you?
Hey there, Hot Wheels fans, it's your boy DCS back again. Welcome back, guys, to this weekend show wheel series. And today's car, I mean, it's more like a pickup truck. It's got Vita 10 in HW flames, not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. Today's car is the same one, El Camino, guys. Yes, the SS one. It's really bold and it has a lot of detailings which you have to discuss. The flaming sticker, the matte finish, the side exhaust, those wheel rims, really nice. And as we look at the back, it's nothing, just some trademark of GM. That's it, nothing else. So can't wait to unbox this thing, guys. So first, as it is the Shot Wheel series, let's go for the unboxing right away, right now. Oops, sorry. Alright, here comes the El Camino. Okay, so here it parks. Okay, fine. So yeah, guys, starting off with the details. So at first look, you can see it's got a lot of bottom chrome there, like so much chrome. Yeah, it's just bouncing off my camera. Okay, there you can see it's 71 El Camino. It's kind of nice, and you got that side exhaust, which is truly amazing. Love the side profile. It's nice. Yeah, the bed is also cool. Well, can't say much about it because it ain't got much to describe. The carvings are pretty nice. Love the paint because it's the matte paint, no gloss. And yes, the flames are amazing too, but the only thing I hate is the tint, guys. Yes, that tint, it's kind of gross color. The interior is pretty fine, I guess. The chrome continues on the inside. But the tint is the only thing that bothers me. It should have been like the 72 Ford Ranchero, kind of clear, right? Yeah, but it ain't. So yeah, that's a disappointment. But rather than that, it's pretty nice. I really like the design. It's cool. And the front end is also pretty bold. So yeah, why don't we just go for the short info now? Here it comes. Let's begin the short info of the 71 El Camino, guys. Talking about the horsepower. The horsepower is 425 horsepower. That's a lot. And moving on to the engine. The engine is a 454 cubic inch big block V8, a large engine. Well, talking about the top speed though, it's 130 miles per hour, which is 210 kilometers per hour. That's quite less. Well, it is a 70s car. So there you have it, guys. That is the short info, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, comment your opinions. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.